We have two types of symmetry. Reflective symmetry, also known as line symmetry or mirror symmetry, is a type of symmetry where one half on an image is the mirror image of the other half. Rotational symmetry, on the other hand, is a type of symmetry where an object is rotated around a point and still appears the same. There are examples of reflective and rotational symmetry. Daffodil. The daffodil flower has 6 petals that are arranged symmetrically around a central point. This means that it has rotational symmetry of order 6, which means that it can be rotated by 60 degrees and still look the same. Additionally, the daffodil also has reflective symmetry, which means that it can be divided into equal halves by a line of symmetry that runs through the center of the flower. Sunflower. The sunflower is another example of a flower with rotational symmetry. It has many petals that are arranged in a spiral pattern, which create a beautiful symmetry that can be observed when the flower is viewed from above. The sunflower has rotational symmetry of order 34 or 35 depending on the species. However, it does not have reflective symmetry because it cannot be divided into equal halves by any line of symmetry. Rose. The rose is a classic flower that is often associated with beauty and romance. It has 5 petals that are arranged symmetrically around a central point. This means that it has rotational symmetry of order 5, which means that it can be rotated by 72 degrees and still look the same. Additionally, the rose also has reflective symmetry, which means that it can be divided into 2 equal halves by a line of symmetry that runs through the center of the flower.